Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Bgmi settings, open controls, then customize so you can move elements freely. Once done, tap the layout you use and enter edit mode. This unlocks the fire button. Make sure you don't have a HUD preset active because presets lock positions. If you need, save a backup layout first. This step matters because locked or preset HUDs prevent adjustments, and backing up preserves a working layout you can return to if anything goes wrong. You now drag the fire button to a comfortable location, typically under your dominant thumb. This reduces misfires. Once placed, use the size slider to make it larger or smaller so your finger hits reliably. A 10–20% size change often helps. Then use the preview mode to simulate in-game aiming and recoil. Make micro adjustments until firing feels natural. This matters because correct position and scale improve accuracy and reaction time during firefights. Save your new layout and jump into a training match to verify stability. You must test in real use to confirm the fix. If the fire button still shifts, check and disable features like Smart Peak, gyroscope overlaps, or third-party overlays which can conflict. Once done, make sure to clear cache or reinstall the game only if settings fail. This resets corrupted HUD data. One tip: keep your saved backup so you can quickly restore a known good layout if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.